Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav, and from this video we are going to start our new subject Chemical Reaction Engineering. So let's start the video. Before we start the video, let me tell you that this PPT will be available on our Telegram channel, that is Chemical Engineer 2120. You can search it Chemical Engineer 2120 on Telegram and just subscribe and join it. There we have various quiz for chemical engineering other subjects as well. So let's begin the video. So first of all, we will start with overview. Like, why do we want to study chemical reaction engineering? So for that I have a photo. Okay, so this is a photo. Generally any chemical reaction we take in chemical reaction or chemical industry, what we have a raw material. What we do, it's processing. So in processing we have three steps. So first step is physical treatment, in which we do its size analysis or something like that. So first step is physical treatment, second is chemical treatment, and third step is again a physical treatment, that is of filtration and something like that, and we get a final product out. So these physical treatments are covered in unit operations in chemical engineering. So it will include, here in physical treatment, it will include mass transfer, heat transfer, and other like mass transfer, heat transfer, and thermodynamics. All those things are included in physical treatment. Second step, that is chemical treatment. Here we include reactions like conversion of raw material to product is done in this chemical treatment step. So this chemical treatment step is what we are going to study in our chemical reaction engineering subject. So for this, what you will be requiring is a knowledge of thermodynamics as well as reaction chemistry of any raw material. So both things are covered in chemical reaction engineering. So this step is the important step, and this step is governed by CRE, chemical reaction engineering. So basically we define it as chemical reaction engineering uses thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, mass transfer, and economics, with the aim of properly designing a chemical reactor. You should remember these words, chemical reactor. So what we will learn after completion of this course is designing of a chemical reactor. And how we will design? For that we will be requiring the knowledge of thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, fluid mechanics, mass transfer, and economics. So this is a basic overview what we call for chemical reaction engineering. Okay, so this is an overview. What we are going to do, that is what should be clear in your mind. Now let's go to the syllabus. So I will be covering this whole subject in less than 30 videos, and in those 30 videos I have divided it into 8 chapter in total. So first chapter will be basics of kinetics, in which we will do mole balance, then homogeneous reactors and its kinetics. In that we will see rate of reaction, type of reaction, reaction mechanisms, and then temperature and concentration like terms, rate equation, rate law, stoichiometry, and then and lastly we will discuss about reactor sizing and design. So this is what we will cover from tomorrow, mole balance and so on. That is, we will do the basic of kinetics. You should know the kinetics of reaction. So that is what we will cover from tomorrow. Second, then in second chapter we will do analysis of rate data, like whatever we have a rate law and something like that. For that we have analysis tools, and for that we have different reactors, and for different reactors this rate law is applicable in a different way. So for that we have a second chapter known as analysis of rate data, in which we will see half-life time, differential reactors, least square analysis, and all those terms. Okay. In the third chapter we have isothermal reactor designing. So in this we will design a reactor. How to design a reactor, that we will see, and we will also see the types of reactor and their governing equations. So there are ideal reactors, in which we will include batch, semi-batch, continuous flow, recycle, and then others. And then we will study about the designing of a reactor. Micro reactors are there, membrane reactors are there, bioreactors are there. So all those we will cover in a third chapter. And in fourth chapter we will see about reactor sequencing. Like suppose we are doing a process. In that process we have uh, complex chemical reaction. So for that we will require more than one type of reactor. So how to sequence a reactor, or how to give a sequence to a reactor for the better yield. So for that we have this fourth chapter, in which we will see reactors in series. Like we put all the reactor in series, then we put it in a parallel. Then how to maximize desired product in parallel reactor, then in series reactor. That we will see temperature and pressure effects on multiple reaction, then adiabatic reactor design. So these all four chapters we will be covering in first 30 videos, and in next 30 videos overall we will be covering in 60 videos maybe. We have fifth chapter, which is non-ideality and RTD, that is residence time distribution. How to determine the time distribution of reactors in reactors. So for that we have different models like zero parameter model, one parameter model, tank in series model, and other models are there that we will see. Okay. Sixth chapter is catalysis and catalytic reaction reactors. Here we will study about catalysis. So what is catalyst? What is the role of catalyst in reaction? Then steps of catalytic reaction, like how it goes on. Then synthesis of a rate law, because here we will be uh, changing the rate law. So synthesizing of rate law mechanism, rate limiting step, design of a solid gas reactors, heterogeneous data analysis of for reactor design, chemical deactivation, how chemical get deactivated, multi-phase catalytic reactor. So all those we will cover in sixth chapter. Seventh and eighth chapter are almost same, but they are also included in mass transfer. So what we will do is we will cover both of them in mass transfer. We will get a basic of these two chapters in this by the end of this course. Okay, because these chapters are new to the syllabus of chemical reaction engineering. Okay, so we will cover it later on. Now for your information, let me tell you which reference book I will be preferring. So I will be preferring Fogler, HS Fogler, Elements of Chemical Reaction Engineering, third edition. And second book that I will be following is Levenspiel, that is also Chemical Reaction Engineering, third edition. So these two books will be followed, and these two books are already uploaded on our Telegram channel. So this is all about the syllabus and overview why we are going to study about chemical reaction engineering. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, comment me. From tomorrow we will start learning about first chapter, basics of kinetics. Okay, so thank you for watching. Be connected. See you soon. Bye.